Si John Benedict.
Happy birthday to you.
Lakasan pa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Nasaan na yung lighter?
Birthday to you.
Lakasan pa. Hey! Happy birthday. Okay, so blow the candle. Okay, palakpakan po natin John Benedict sa kanyang 7th birthday. Alam na rin na po tayo